et bienvenue. Hi, I'm back passionate. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making this tiny video just to give you an update about my Fossil Gigi bag that I unboxed with you, yes, 1 or 2 weeks before, I don't remember. I love this bag, be sure. I'm just giving you an update because I have to transform a little bit this guy, and I will explain to you. So, as you remember, this bag is a crossbody bag. You have the ring here, and you can only close it with the drawstring, and you can wear it like this. I have already shown you it during the unboxing. However, when I tried it, my bag was empty. And in fact, when I wear it crossbody, I thought the length was correct, even when I put it to the maximum. But when I use it and I put my wallet, my card, my phone, in fact, with the weight, it was really too long. The bag went there on my legs, and I was not comfortable with. So I think a little bit, and what I have done is that I literally cut, yes, I know, I literally cut the, as you can see, the strap, because I do not want to return the bag because I love it so much and I love this purple color and the leather is insane. So I just cut the stitches because when the bag, as I told you, was at the maximum length, it was still too long for me. I do not want to make another hole because look, here I got so many leather pieces still on my leg. To my mind, to my point of view, I do not like it. So I cut it. And now I got the D-ring free. So I can wear it like this. Or I remember that I got an extra chain for another bag that I have ordered on Amazon. You can see a chain like this in silver. You got the hook here like this. And look, I simply adjust the tiny chain on the hook and look. Now it's a shoulder bag. And I have to admit, I really love it. Look. For me, it's perfect. Really, I love to use it like this. And yes, I love the style. I really love it. It's super cute. So now, let's show you. So now, when I fit, I was using this bag yesterday. You all remember my roseau essentiel in mustard color. So now, when I put my wallet, my phone, my card holder, my compass, because you can fit a bunch in this. Okay, some hand sanitizer, my mint, tissue paper, well, and I can also, I have my lipstick from Hermes, I put it there, airtight, and that's okay. Oh yes, I need this. I always need a pen. And so I can wear it like this, or as I show you, it can fit perfectly on my shoulder, and I love it. I really, really love it. So I just wanted to give you this little update, because for sure I will keep this bag. I do not want to return it, but yes, I was a bit sad. The shoulder strap was really too long for me. Empty, it's okay, but when I put on my essential, no, it was really not correct. So yes, I will keep that. I will keep this part, because we never know if one day I just need to stitch it again. Huh? So I'll keep it. And but yes, I have to transform it a little bit, and that's all. If you like this tiny video, please give a thumbs up. If you have more questions, do not hesitate to comment. I will be more than happy to explain you more. I'm going to record today maybe 1 or 2 more videos, so please do not mind my outfit, it will be the same. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous souhaite une très bonne journée et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye guys!